Hello and welcome back to Breeze Gaming. Today we are going to be discussing the shuffle method within the random module. So in a previous video we talked about the random module and how it can be used to allow the computer program to extract a random item from a list. But today we'll be using the shuffle method to shuffle the items in a list. So in this first cell right here, and I'm inside of a Jupyter Notebook, and in the first cell I have here, I have a dictionary, I have just a plain list, and then I have just a program to convert the keys in my dictionary to a list. So right here and I wanted to do a dictionary and a list just to kind of provide a couple of examples. But for the dictionary here, I've created a card deck with all the keys, and all the keys are the ace through the kings. The ace through the king right here, and then associated with each key are hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades, the suits of a card deck. And on the end of each of these, I put split so the computer program can read these separately. And right here, I just have a plain card deck list of just ace, two, three, and I didn't finish it, but I can go on for all the way to king. So an important note about the shuffle function, the shuffle method, my apologies, is that you cannot shuffle the items within a dictionary. So I can't go into card deck and I can't shuffle all of these. The program won't allow that. But what I can do is I can convert all of these. Um, I can not convert, but extract all the keys within the dictionary. And so that's what this is right here. So this keys variable right here essentially extracts all of the keys from the dictionary and turns into a list. So whenever I print keys, it will print all of the keys inside of my dictionary. So it's a couple different methods of creating a list. You can just create a plain list, but if you want to create something more complex and create a dictionary, you can extract all the keys out of there and create a list from it. So what we're going to do down here is we're going to actually implement the shuffle method, and we're going to use the keys variable that we made, and those are all the keys from our dictionary that we have up here. And we're going to do random.shuffle keys, and we're going to print that, and it's going to shuffle all of the keys within our dictionary. So this is what they are, straight ace through king, but then I shuffled it and it's going to go king through seven. And I can keep repeating that and it will give me a different order every single time. And so if you're creating any kind of game or program involving a card deck or something like that, you can use the shuffle method within the random module to shuffle cards essentially. And so down here, I just have the same thing, except I'm using the card deck list where I just created a plain list instead of going through the dictionary method. But it's the same thing. Using the shuffle, I can infinitely shuffle all of the items within a list. So the shuffle method can be very helpful for shuffling and creating randomness and using the random module for whatever purpose you want. So there you have it. That was a short tutorial today, but just going over the shuffle method within the random module. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.